here outside the house. Hi, Adam. I hear you. Thank you, Adam. Please like and share my live. Oh, grabe. Sorry guys, you can hear the noise of a prank. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that. A noisy, 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 very noisy. Very noisy. Frog. Hello, three viewers. Hello po. May mga Pinoy ba dyan? May mga Pinoy ba dyan? Guys, nasa labas ako ng bahay. Kaya may mga pa. Nasa bukid kami. Nasa Bicol. Nasa bukid. Ano yun, Daddy? This message, okay, is held for review. Okay, you can read it. 3, ay, bugoy. 5 viewers na. Hello, guys. Thank you all for coming. Please come into my live chat. Comment down below, guys, so I can shout your name out there. Ah, join my live. 4 viewers. Hello, Adam. Where are you from, Adam? Hello, 5 viewers. Thank you for coming. Guys, gawin yung make it 50. Not only 5 viewers, 50. Make it 50. Uy, 7 na. Sana all. Make it higher, guys. Make it higher. Like and share my live. Charot. Sorry, guys. There's a noise of frog outside the house. I'm here outside the house. Hello, everyone. Hello, 6 viewers. Tulog na yung nanonood. Hello, 6 viewers. Hello po. Kumusta kayo, guys? How are you, guys? Comment down. Comment down below so I can say hi and thank you to everyone. Adam, hello. I am from Canada. Hello. Okay, thank you. Okay, you can speak English so I can understand you. I am a Filipino. I'm here in the Philippines. Here in my province. Hello, Adam. Ang daldal ko. Nagising na yung tulog. Hello, for viewers. Hello po. How are you guys? How are you guys? You are welcome. Coming into my life. Thank you for joining. Thank you for sharing. Guys, like and share my live. Comment down below. Where are you from and what's your name? Grabe, malamok na, guys. Alam niyo ba yun? Nandito ako sa labas. Uy, matutulog ka na ba? Uwi na tayo. Matutulog ka.